Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to download GPF statement online, especially for Assam government employee. At first you have to switch to the CAG website, that is cag.gov.in/ae/Assam. After that you have to visit online services and then you have to click on web and SMS portal. If you are visiting this portal first time, then you have to click on new user to create your account. Otherwise, log in with your user ID and password. Now to create an account, just click on new user or create an account. Now you have to fill this form and then you have to click on create account. To fill this form, at first you have to enter your first name. After entering your first name, you have to enter your last name. After that, you have to select your GPF series. GPF series may varies department wise. You will also get your GPF series and GPF number in your account sections. After the selecting your GPF series, you have to enter your GPF account number or GER number. After that, if you have an email ID, then enter your email address. Otherwise, you have to enter your mobile number. After entering mobile number, you have to create a password. And after that you have to re-enter your password to match with the password. After that enter CAPTCHA code and then click create account. Now you can easily log into the account with your user ID and password. Now you have to enter either your mobile number or email ID and then enter your password. After that you have to enter the CAPTCHA code and then click login button. In the left side you will see various tabs like home button, missing credits, GPF annual statement, GPF final payments. Now to download your GPF annual statement, simply click on GPF annual statement option. Now you have to select the financial year for which you want to download the statement, and after that click on show button. Now check the statements clearly. You can scroll down to see the statement, and to generate a PDF form you have to click to generate PDF option. Now you can easily download the statement using the download button, and you can also print this statement. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.